31st January. Why it is 31st January? Because January for the depreciation per period, na period 10. So this is 712 depreciation for the whole period of period 10, right? Up to January 30. Correct. So this is the net book value as on what date? January. No, not 31st January. Also, it is for February. Why? Because 31st date is also depreciation is there. So you cannot post 31st days depreciation before 31 is over, right? 31 days should be over. Then only you have the value coming into next. Correct? Got it? See, I am in the 31st day afternoon. Now can I charge a depreciation for 31st? No, it is the day is not over. Na? Correct? So after the day is over, then only the day depreciation taken up, and then the value is on the 1st of February. Got it? Yeah? Okay. So now you tell me, suppose this asset we purchased on what date? This asset we purchased on 6th of January. 6th January we have purchased asset. What is the date today? 10th. So how many days depreciation it should charge at? 5 days. 5 days. 5 days. How 5 days? Yes. 6 days. 9 days. 10 you are still talking today in 10. 10 is over or not over? Not over. Then how you can charge for 10? Okay, tell me how many days? 4 days. 6, 7, 8, 9. But this depreciation 712 is for how many days it is? 30. No. 25 days. 26. From 6 till 31st, na? So how many days it is? 27. 26 days, correct? Yes. Okay, let us see now. So now if I am trying to sell this asset, suppose if I am selling this asset for 1,10,000, suppose selling. Right, so I am going like this, slash ABAON, okay? Go like ABAON. ABAON. Go like. Sir, joining very late. Why this is happening? You know, na class timing is 7:30, right? After 15 minutes. So tomorrow onwards, I will make sure I will start the class at 7:30. Okay? Yeah. Sharp 7:30.
Actually, it was disconnected. So again, I rejoined. So that's why.
No. I'm not talking about you. Number, I see when I start, I see lot of difference. And after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, when I see many people are joining late. If you miss the beginning, then whole day, 1 hour is wasted. Introduction you are missing for every topic. Correct or not? So only climax you are seeing for every movie. So now, document date. Now you are taking that. Asset value date, what is the value date? So tomorrow onwards we will start at sharp, yeah? And every day I will end also, right? Because I have a follow-up class, it is getting delayed. So every day I will finish at 8:30 sharp, okay? Yeah. Now, asset value date, 10. Today, na? Yeah. So I am selling the asset today, right? Yeah. So what is the text here? Being the sale of asset for cash. Okay, note down.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, for what amount we are going to sell the asset?
Here we have to give. How much you want? Shall we sell it at 1,10,000? Yeah. Okay.
No.
Okay, that is the revenue.
Sir, asset value is always appreciated, right?
How do you know? Always appreciated, always depreciated. Both are pure wrong. Nobody knows. Correct? Nobody knows. The market value may appreciate. We will talk about it. That is revaluation concept you are talking. Now I am not talking about it. I am talking about a depreciation and selling of the asset. Correct? Right now we are talking about depreciation is already posted. So my building is depreciating every month. So we are selling the asset. Okay? Yes. So my net book value is how much? What is my net book value as on today? Net book value net book value on what date? 01.02.2022. What was our net book value?
99,388. 288.
Right? Yeah. So now, but I am selling the asset. When you are selling the asset, so depreciation posted up to, okay, let me write it. Depreciation posted up to what date? Up to 31.01.2022. How much is it? 712. But we are selling the asset on what date? Selling the asset on 10th itself. Correct or not? We are selling the asset on 10th.
288, sir.
288. Good, thank you. So now, selling the asset on 10th January only. So now this is excess depreciation, na? We charged up to 31st, we have already posted. So now, if you are selling the asset, how many days depreciation it has to take?
Only 6.
4 days.
7, 8, 9.
How
4
many days
days.
depreciation it has to take? Only
4 days.
Only 4 days. But we have posted for how many days?
26
days.
26.
Correct? This is for how many days it is? This is
26.
Some should correct itself, no?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So let us see what it will do. Let us. Okay? Let us try to understand.
Sir, sir.
Okay, now what I will do, I will go to
Sir, what is manual revenue, sir?
manually. I am entering that is manual. Okay?
Amount, sir. Number.
Amount 1,10,000 I am
Selling amount.
sale value. Simulate. So can you see what is happening here? Only 110 rupees depreciation is taking. Correct? So 110 is for how many days it is?
4 days.
4 days. So per day it is how much?
20.
Per day it is how much?
27.5.
27.5.
Yeah. So per day, just understand, per day it is 27.5. Okay. So 27.5 into 26 days. Okay. Let's see whether we will check it whether it is correct or not. 27.5 into how many days? 26 days. 715. 3 rupees difference is coming, right? Maybe rounding off problem somewhere.
Sir, per day.
Yeah. Understood? Yeah. So that is for the 26 days. This is for the
4 days.
4 days. Right? Yeah. Okay. So now if I take it, so understood now everybody how I got this? Yeah. Some I think it is not exactly 110. It is 110 point some change is there which has been rounded off at. Okay. That's what. Now. Okay, clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
So, but asset value is, you said asset value is 1 lakh, but manual, sir, once again open another tab.
Sir, could you please repeat it?
That's the sale value.
Sale value is more than the
Purchase value.
Yes, sir. But you were saying about depreciation, not appreciation, right? So you are entered that 10,000.
Correct. The depreciation for 4 days is 110 rupees. So I sold it for 1,10,000. So how much is the profit? 10,110 rupees is the profit.
Sir, but you said about depreciation,
Correct. You are not getting the point. See here, my asset purchase value is 1 lakh.
right? Yes.
Okay, less depreciation for 4 days. How much it is? 110 rupees. 110 minus. So what is the net book value?
99.
Net book value how much?
280.
890. Sale value is how much? 1,10,000. So what is the profit?
10,000.
10,000. You got the point now? Is it clear? So this is the net book value. We are selling it for this much. You made this profit. Clear?
Okay.
Right. Okay, so now I will go back. Now let me show you. I will go back. Suppose if I take this value date is very important concept here. Value date. So far we have not talked about value date. It came up in the BRS. You see what is the importance of the value date. Okay. So this value date, what we have to see now? This value date we have to, suppose if I take the value date on 31st. Okay, 31st. Correct. What will happen? It will take for 25 days.
Yes.
Correct? Because 31st,
Yes, sir.
30 up to 30th, if it is on 31st, it will take 30th, no? Correct.
Yes,
Let us see.
sir.
So let us see. So it is 685. So how much is the depreciation per day difference is there? 712 minus 685. 15 plus 12. 20. How much? 27, na? 27. Got it? Yeah. So 27. Actually per day it is 27. We did not calculate correctly. Per day it is 27. So 27 into, first thing is 27 into how many days?
4 days.
27 into 26 days.
27.38, sir. That means 27.4.
27.4. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you see 27.4. 27.4 into how many days? 26 days for the total depreciation. So you get 712 lines. Now rounded off to 712.
Yes.
Now so for the 4 days it is 27.4 into
4 days.
Into
That is
4 days.
109.6.
correct, right? 27.4. Thank you. You got me the correct answer now. Into 4. That is all. So rounding off is making all the difference. So here it is going to up, then it is going down. That's where the difference. Okay. No. Okay, understood everybody? So now if I take this value as 1st February, what will happen?
26 days. Total 26 days.
Whatever we posted, exactly it will take. Correct? Okay. Now that is the value date importance. Okay. What date value you want to take into consideration? Okay. Now.
Below manual level.
Go back now. Now suppose if I take this value date as normal today, suppose, and if I post the transaction. Okay, so now when I simulate, it is taking only 4 days depreciation. Now already 712 is posted. Correct, now 712 is posted, but I am saying only 4 days it was there, then I sold it off. So then what should happen to that? The balance depreciation. Correct, so already 712 is posted, na? Understand like this. So already 712 is posted. Now I am saying actually correct depreciation before I sold is 110 only. So what is the excess depreciation we have charged? How much is the excess now? 602 rupees. 602 is the excess depreciation. Correct? So what? Yeah. So this excess depreciation, what should happen to this excess depreciation?
We are selling asset now.
To reverse the amount. Correct. We have to reverse. So we will reverse it in the next run. Reverse it in the in the next depreciation run. Okay. It could be
next month, or
it could be next run means it could be repeat run also for the same period. Okay, if it happens in the next month means what, my next month periodic results will get affected, na? So that's why I can do the repeat run also this one. Is it clear?
posting, repeat posting run, isn't it?
Correct. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so just understand, I have posted the depreciation on the asset till, it's posted till what? Till what date? Till 101.2022. But is only depreciation is how much? Depreciation is only 110, only up to
9.
that is
9th of January.
everybody, is it clear? So system should consider only 4 days now. So that's why whatever is the excess, what it will do, it will correct itself automatically. Background, you have to understand how it is happening. Okay. Now what is the entry also very important. This entry, you have to know this entry. So what is the entry for asset sale? What is the entry? What is the entry for asset sale? No doubt. So, right, what is the entry for asset sale?
Bank.
Is not there. Here bank is there. Is it there? Any bank is there? No, it's not there. Okay. I will discuss that later. Okay. So what is the entry here? Yeah. So here revenue. Note on revenue from sale of asset account is debited. How much total revenue? How much we are getting? 1,10,000. To accumulated depreciation on building. Correct. How much? 110. To what is it? Asset account. Building account, right? Asset account, that is buildings account. Buildings account should be account is credited, na? How much? 1 lakh. To what is it? Profit on sale of asset account. How much? 1 lakh. Sorry. 10,000. 1 lakh. Is it tallying now? Yes, it will tally. Posting is here. This is the revenue from sale of assets, the GL account, so 40. This is the accumulated reconciliation account. Reconciliation is subledger posting, so it is 70. This asset account is also reconciliation, so it is 75. This profit on sale is the GL account, so 50. Not done. Not done the entry. This is an interview question. He may ask you about the entry. Accounting entry for asset sale.
GL debit sir? Credit yeah.
Done?
Done sir.
Okay. No.
Sir, I have a doubt on profit on sale of asset accounting 10,110. Actual price is 1 lakh. Depreciation value is 110. So with depreciation value 99,890. Adding the 10,000 plus 11,000 to 10. One check it, sir. I have it on that.
See, this is the net book value, right? Today's value.
Yes,
We are selling it
99,000.
We are selling
1
it
lakh.
for-
1 lakh
This is
10,000.
this is the value of the asset. This you are selling it for 1 lakh. How much is the difference? This is the difference.
11,210.
Really? How? You use a calculator, no? 1,10,000 minus 99,890. You do it. Use the calculator.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Now. So noted down the entry, everybody.
Yes, sir.
So now in the interview he will ask like this. I purchased an asset for 1 lakh. Yeah, 1 lakh. So far the accumulated depreciation on that asset is the accumulated depreciation on that asset is 30,000. And I am selling the asset. The asset sale value is 85,000. Can you tell me the entry for sale?
Loss. We'll get loss.
Loss, sir. Really?
No.
No sir, 15,000 Profit on sale only
15,000 profit.
15,000 profit sir. Profit will be
1 lakh minus 30,000 with depreciation, 70,000 is on actual profit. Actually,
25,000
sale value is 85,000.
25.
So say 15,000 profit.
50,000 profit.
I'm not asking you whether it is profit or loss. I'm asking you the accounting entry.
Revenue from sale of
Revenue from sale of account debited.
It is
55,000.
how much?
profit on sale of assets.
Accumulated depreciation.
Account data
30,000.
30,000.
30,000.
Wait.
Please, anyone can say the entry, please.
30,000.
How much?
30,000.
Next.
Asset account. Buildings account credit.
Profit on sale will be
15.
Yeah, so you have to have your mics on low, right? So somebody few people mics are very loud. Kada, just be on the lower side. So here how much it is? 15,000. So is it tallying now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Debit side is 1,15,000. Credit side is also 1 lakh. Perfect. Okay, you understood? So simple example, like 1 lakh we purchase. This is like what is the this is a sale value. What is the depreciation end? What is the sale value? Is it clear?
I didn't got the last one. Why it is profit?
Why it is
Amount
profit?
is okay, but I'm selling 1 lakh. Value is 1 lakh, but I'm selling 85,000.
Is there no depreciation on that?
Acha, okay.
How much
Net book value is
depreciation? Minus, na? So net book value is how much?
70,000.
Okay, got it.
Okay. If I sell this asset for 65,000, then tell me rent.
5,000 loss.
Loss
Loss on sale it is.
Loss on sale account. 5,000.
Oh, where are you?
Last
Debit loss on sale.
Loss on sale debited.
Debit loss on sale of it.
Entry, if you want to note down loss on sale of assets. See, simple example, so many complications it needs to create. How much it is?
5,000.
Okay, debit, and then credit. Is it tallying for 1 lakh? Yes. Okay, note down this entry also. This is the sale value. Same entry, just I changed the number, everything changed.
So the previous entry one.
Entry? Previous entry is not there, no? Gone. I changed it already.
Can you please show that?
This entry? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, this is the profit is there, no? Just numbers you have to change. Oh. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
You got 10 seconds to take this call.